the law of becoming. The privilege of a lifetime is to become who you truly are. Ah, man, that's beautiful. The privilege of a lifetime is to become who you truly are. Carl Jung, again. The transformation principle is that transformation is not merely about achieving something, a prize, a gauntlet, a trophy at the top of the podium. I became everything I could be. It's actually about the unfolding and the expression of your deepest authentic nature, which is your full potential. Like, we go back to the quote before of the person who has a strong enough why can bear any how. Well, the law of becoming is that the deepest reason to unlock your human potential is that there's nothing deeper than knowing yourself. And I'll go on a slight rabbit hole here. The version of you that you are right now is not actually you. It's you clothed in a bunch of fire blankets. By fire blankets, I'm meaning like, they're keeping out the elements, they're protecting you from this, they're like just separating you from the abundance of infinite possibility. And so you think that you are what you are right now. And if you're watching this video by mistake, because you're not destined to be a unicorn closer, you'll be a little bit confused now, because you'll be like, well, I think I am who I am right now. Is that not who I am right now? I don't talk to those people anymore, because I genuinely have come to the uncomfortable, saddening realization that I had been wanting to help everybody, and I can't. Not everybody in this lifetime is going to reach enlightenment or reach salvation or even just realize their potential. So, not talking to those people, talking to you. The reason I say that is you will know deep inside of you, I feel like I'm slightly detached from the true version of me. You'll already have that feeling. Search inside, feel it, and you'll be like, yeah, you know what? Like, something feels like I'm kind of wearing some masks, or kind of like wearing my own shadow, or just like dimming my brightness, dimming my shine. That's what this law is about. This law is about the fact that to unlock your human potential, the transformation is not about the watch or the car. And I've said in other videos, what this watch symbolizes to me is not a $225,000 watch on my wrist. Symbolizes the changes that I made in becoming more true to my essence, which is my God-given potential, my birthright, your birthright. And so the law of becoming is that the greatest thing, if you align yourself in sales with self-actualized sales, is that you are going to unfold, you're going to meet who you really are. At the end of this journey of self-actualized selling or sales, you will realize, wow, I actually know myself, because I've unpacked and unshackled everything I truly am. So that's the law of becoming. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.